Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to build this simple cedar potting bench. It can be used for plants, for gardening tools, whatever you see a purpose for it. So let me show you how I did it. Let's get to it. Alright, so for this project I have got a cedar board at 8 feet long. It's a 1x8. I've cut it down into 4 equal pieces that are 23 3/4. And then I also have 9 of these cedar fence pickets, and they are all cut at just under 4 feet. So that's pretty much all we need. I might need a couple scraps just to hold my shelf up. But other than that, we just gotta slap this thing together for a cute little flower porch bench potting area. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take 3 of my 1x8 pieces that I cut just shy of 24 inches, and I am going to nail and glue and nail using an outdoor weatherproofing glue and make a little planter box. I'm going to do that by doing it just like this and putting that together. Let's do that first. Okay, so I have my box made. Now I'm going to take my fence posts and I'm going to lay them out and kind of measure where I want my box to be and where I want my shelf to be on the top. And then we're just going to glue and nail everything together. Probably go back and reinforce with a couple screws. Alright, and it's as simple as that, you guys. With just a few fence pickets and a 1x8 cedar board, we built this little potting area. You can put flowers in the bottom, you could put some flowering pots, you could put your gardening tools in that area. Just kind of a fun little tool area that you can display at your home. I did want to mention that I went back and reinforced everything with some outdoor weatherproof screws. You can also spray everything with an outdoor weatherproof sealer if you don't like that gray look that wood gets over time. If you like this project, then please like, comment, subscribe, and we will check you out next time.